When you pinch your nose to stop a sneeze, the pressure has nowhere to go. A normal sneeze creates about 1 psi of pressure inside your throat. But when you hold it in, that pressure jumps to 5 to 24 times higher. It shoots into your ears, into your chest, into your brain. In 2018, a 34-year-old man held in one sneeze. He ruptured the back of his throat. Air leaked into his neck and chest. His throat crackled when he moved. Now doctors found air bubbles trapped between his lungs. He spent 7 days in the hospital, tube-fed on 4 antibiotics. Meaning one sneeze you held in can rupture your eardrum, collapse tissue in your chest, or burst a blood vessel in your brain.